HealthKey.com, your new resource for a healthy body, mind, and spirit. Health information from trusted sources in one easy location. Take control of your health with HealthKey.com and unlock your potential for life. Find answers to questions about surgery, heart disease, counting calories, handling depression after job loss, and so much more at HealthKey.com. The health answers you need to unlock your potential for life at HealthKey.com. You'll know when you're ready. 010110, the Special K Challenge begins. Get started with a free box when you buy one. Now at SpecialK.com.
Did you know that over time, hair keratin is damaged and your color loses radiance? New Excellence by L'Oreal. Our first hair color with Pro Keratin Complex. It revitalizes and protects hair from the inside out. My hair feels stronger, silky. My color looks sensational. And gray? What's gray? Radiant color that revitalizes and protects. New Excellence Pro Keratin from L'Oreal. Because you're worth it.
On a vacation in paradise, one Marine will face America's greatest threat. WWE superstar Ted DiBiase is The Marine 2 on Blu-ray and DVD Tuesday.
Welcome to Glad TV. Thanks, Skyler. Let's go to last night's highlights. There's Mom and Dad cleaning up, and there's the meatloaf. Yuck. Look what sometimes happens with your ordinary bag. It's an all finger falls in. Mom wasn't mad. Mom should have used Glad Force Flex with the new stretchable drawstring that grips the can and stays in place. Plus, it has the stretchable strength of Force Flex. That's all today for Glad TV. Don't get mad, get glad!
It plays. It stows. It slides. It saves. It sees. It calls. And it costs less than 30 grand. We gave it more ideas for square inch because more is what we do. Introducing the Terrain, the all-new smaller SUV from GMC.
I love him. Simple and pure. Called your mom, Danielle, and she sent me a high school yearbook. Rolling High, junior year, head cheerleader, saw him when he scored and then he dropped off. I didn't drop out. He couldn't hold on to that. He left her. We had to move. But she told me that